Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you. It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. So the second recipe I'll be sharing this week is for what I call snowballs. You may know these as Russian tea cakes, Italian wedding cookies, or Mexican wedding cookies. But I've always called them snowballs. I mean, come on, look at them. That's the perfect pile of snowballs right there. Now, you will hear me say on each separate video throughout this video series that this one is my favorite cookie, because every time I jump to the next recipe, I swear it is this one now that is my favorite. This cookie is loaded up with pecans and walnuts for a crispy crunch and a delicate butter dough covered in powdered sugar. So good. I have been making this recipe for over 2 decades, and I don't even want to count how many I've eaten in that amount of time. So let's get right to it. With just 6 ingredients, you will need flour, sugar, vegan butter, vanilla extract, and I'm using pecans and walnuts, but you can use one or the other if you don't want to buy 2 kinds of nuts. I've roasted them lightly and they are completely cooled. The first thing you want to do is get them into a food processor because you want them very finely ground. Just be careful when you blend them. They can easily turn into nut butter if you're not careful. Now get the vegan butter and sugar creaming together to light and fluffy, and this time it's only going to take about 2 minutes. You don't really want to over cream this because we don't want these cookies spreading. We want them to keep their shape in the oven. Over creaming a cookie batter can cause overspreading. If that's ever happened to you, that could be the cause. Now add the vanilla extract and then the flour all at once. Mix it just until it comes together and then add the nuts. Give it a good mix and that's it. Really easy. I'm using a number 100 scoop for these and spacing them just about 1 inch apart on the parchment lined sheet pan. They won't spread very much in the oven, so you can get a lot onto one pan. Bake them in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake them for about 20 minutes until they are golden brown. At this point, you do want to be ready because as soon as they come out of the oven and they are still hot but not falling apart when you handle them, you'll have to plunge them into some confectioner sugar while they're still warm. And this is what coats the cookie so nicely. Shake off the excess and then line them back up on the pan. Another dose of powdered sugar, and there you have it. These dangerous little gems are addicting, so try not to eat them all before your party. So there you go, guys, my vegan version of a holiday classic. Add these to your cookie assortment this year and everyone will be asking for the recipe, I promise. Just head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab the recipe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I do hope you're going to make this recipe and stay tuned for the next video in my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series. Be sure to subscribe here to my channel so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.